Hello, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Salo. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course, to make sure that you do share this video. So, yesterday, the legendary actor Presley Chweneyagae was laid to rest. Now, this comes after following a short illness. You guys, as his family did detail that he passed away following a short illness. You guys, now just last night, videos of him at a club called Stasi Kombeis are resurfacing on TikTok. Now, we also at his funeral, whereby his friend Warren Masemola took to the stage, of course, to reveal that Presley Chweneyagae had, a very bad habit, just like you and I, of but his unfortunately was over indulging in alcohol. So Warren Masemola was actually, trying to educate people about how alcohol ruins lives, whereby he said that, my friend suffered from this particular thing. He exposes how he would go to Stasi base and then find his friends, him with his friends, and he said that Presley Chweneyagae would be there for days, leaving his wife and of course children alone. You guys, now this video is currently doing its round on TikTok, and this is such a very sad and bad video to watch, as you can see that this guy is very much intoxicated. He looks very much messed up. Guys, one thing for sure we all do is make mistakes, definitely, for sure. And you could tell that Presley Chweneyagae at the time was in a stage whereby he was a bit messed up, to be honest. And let us not just take this and make it his legacy, because yes, he was a legend, and yes, he does have his own downfalls, but he is a family man and he had his wife and his children. Let us not let this last video, which is currently surfacing, be his legacy. Now, moving swiftly right along, of course, people on social media had their very opinions about Presley Chweneyagae, particularly those who, had the privilege of meeting Presley Chweneyagae face to face. And someone said that this was unfortunately, sadly, his life. This is how he lived. They said that, most of the time they would see him at clubs or in Pretoria very much intoxicated. They would not see Presley Chweneyagae in his sober mind. People were saying that this was rather his daily lifestyle. We would see him poop drunk or drunk like a fish, go Pitori. Under the comment of this video, which was posted on TikTok, someone said that, you know what, his wife was already in mourning while he was still alive, because most of the time he was never with them. He was always go ditlapong, go dibareng, drinking himself to a pulp, you guys. And this is truly so sad, seeing someone like this. I guess this is what Warren Masemola was saying when he called his friends out, because that Stasi Kombeis, saying that, you saw how intoxicated he was, you saw how his wife suffered, but yet you didn't have the audacity to tell him to go home to his wife and children because they needed him the most. Yes, he supported them financially, but he was never there, like physically, to show them love. He was always on the streets. That's what Warren Masemola was actually saying. He says that he also urges people to, let's not make strata fashionable. If you're a drinker and an indulger of alcohol, he said, how about maybe you buy alcohol and then you go to your place to drink there, instead of just roaming the streets, or it is not fashionable to always be intoxicated, go strating. And someone actually said Warren Masemola spoke the truth about Presley Chweneyagae. He was great, talented, and loved people, but he was also irresponsible when it came to alcohol. He spent most of his nights on the streets, and his friends never called him out. As friends, we need to hold each other accountable. Tell your friends to go home to their kids. Well, you guys, may Presley's soul rest in peace, and let us not let those videos of him go Stacy Gumbase be his legacy, you guys. And we are definitely sending out our deepest and sincere condolences to his family, and may his loved one, may his soul rather rest in peace.